AI isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's transforming how small businesses operate. Imagine AI handling customer service, bookkeeping, or marketing content while you focus on growth. This isn't about replacing people, but empowering your team with tools once reserved for big corporations. Let's dive into 5 essential AI tools every small business owner should know for 2025. First up, customer support. In today's fast-paced world, customers expect quick, accurate answers at any hour, and businesses need to keep up. ChatGPT can be trained on your business info to answer customer questions 24/7. It learns your products, policies, and brand voice, so every response feels personal and professional. It's like having a tireless support agent on your website, instantly resolving issues and boosting sales. Customers get immediate help, which means fewer abandoned carts and happier clients. As your business grows, ChatGPT scales with you. No need to hire more staff for basic inquiries. It can handle thousands of conversations at once, so you never miss a question. Setup is simple. Just upload your docs, set the tone, and deploy. In minutes, your AI assistant is ready to go, tailored to your unique needs. The result? Consistent, on-brand support that saves time and keeps customers happy. Your business looks more professional and responsive than ever. It frees your team for complex cases, while AI handles the routine. Your staff can focus on what really matters, solving unique challenges and building relationships. For customer support, it's a game changer, making your business more efficient, scalable, and customer-focused than ever before. Next, let's tackle accounting. QuickBooks AI automates bookkeeping, categorizes expenses, and tracks invoices. It learns your habits, reduces errors, and gives you real-time financial insights. Automated invoicing and reminders mean faster payments and better cash flow. The AI turns your accounting software into a strategic advisor, forecasting trends and highlighting key metrics. You get clear dashboards and actionable data, no more manual number crunching. QuickBooks AI lets you focus on decisions, not data entry. Need great marketing visuals but not a designer? Canva's Magic Studio AI makes pro-quality graphics easy. Just describe what you want, like a playful Instagram post, and Canva generates options instantly. Edit images, remove backgrounds, and create consistent branding in minutes. Launch campaigns fast, react to trends, and keep your business looking sharp. No design experience needed. AI handles the heavy lifting. Canva AI democratizes design for every business. Now, let's talk about the words, the heart of your message, and the key to connecting with your audience. Jasper AI is your intelligent writing partner, designed to help you craft compelling blogs, engaging emails, persuasive ads, and so much more, no matter your industry or writing experience. With a wide range of templates and guided workflows, Jasper helps you generate high-quality content quickly, so you never get stuck staring at a blank page. You're in control. Set the tone, choose your key points, and let Jasper do the heavy lifting. Jasper drafts, refines, and even translates your content, making sure your message is clear and effective in any language. Imagine creating a week's worth of social media posts in just minutes, keeping your brand's content fresh, consistent, and always on message. Jasper supercharges your productivity, freeing you up to focus on big-picture strategy and creative ideas, instead of getting bogged down in daily writing tasks. With Jasper, it's like having a professional marketing copywriter available on demand, ready to help you succeed every day. Finally, bring it all together with Zapier AI, your automation powerhouse that connects every tool in your business seamlessly. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a growing team, Zapier makes it easy to streamline your daily operations. Zapier links your favorite apps, automating repetitive tasks like adding new customers to your CRM, updating your email list, or even sending notifications to your team, so nothing falls through the cracks. With AI, you simply describe your workflow in plain English, and Zapier instantly builds the automation for you. No coding or technical skills required. Say goodbye to tedious manual data entry and never worry about missed follow-ups again. Automation keeps your business running smoothly, saving you from costly mistakes and wasted time. Free up your valuable time and mental energy for what matters most: growing your business, serving your customers, and finding new opportunities. Zapier ensures your processes are not only reliable and efficient, but also scalable as your business expands. It's the ultimate productivity hack for small businesses, empowering you to achieve more with less effort every single day. That's your new AI toolkit. ChatGPT for support, QuickBooks AI for finances, Canva AI for design, Jasper for content, and Zapier to tie it all together. These tools make your business more efficient, scalable, and competitive. AI is accessible and practical. No tech giant required. Start with one tool, see the impact, and build your own AI-powered workflow. Ready to level up? Take the assessment below to find your best AI starting point. Thanks for watching.